Hello and welcome. This is Jocelyn, my name is Alex, and
this is my channel.
You're watching YouTube right now.
You're watching the Disney Channel, but not. Today we are doing Alex's Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix just went live on my channel, so if you'd like to go check out that, I will leave it linked down below. But today we are doing a Stitch Fix full of things that Alex may or may not want to keep.
We'll see.
We'll see. I'm not going to give a whole description of what Stitch Fix is. I will leave all of the details down below. But as a very, very brief outline, it's a styling service where someone sends you clothes you may or may not like. You choose what you want to keep and you pay for those items and you send everything else back. If by the end of the video you decide you'd like to check this out for yourself, we will leave a referral link down below where you can get $25 off of your first fix, and then we also get $25 off of our next fix. So thank you so much if you choose to try this service out for yourself.
Pretty much a win-win for both of us.
Win-win for both of us. You don't have to spend any money on your first fix and you get $25 towards anything you choose to keep.
This box has been sitting in the house for like 4 or 5 days, and we've just been waiting to find the right time to film it. I even had to extend the checkout date, which is also a nice option with Stitch Fix, because usually they send you the stuff, they give you 3 days to mail it back, but if you need more time, just simply log in, click extend, and
there you have it.
Here we go. All right, so.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, I see a belt right away. Couldn't help but notice it, so.
Well, okay, yes, we have the belt.
There's the belt.
Our return envelope, shipping is free both ways, so we'll put that off to the side. Style guide and pricing guide, so we'll save that until we've looked at everything.
Here's the box. I put it on the ground for now, and boom, here's a belt.
Ooh.
It is a reversible.
Oh, is it?
Brown.
Oh, it is.
It's a black dress belt. Shiny silver. Not a fan of that. I like things very dark.
That's true.
And I actually did just buy a really nice dress belt for a wedding we had a couple months ago. And I'm wearing a brand new belt that Jocelyn got me for my birthday last week. So, just letting you know right off the bat, probably not going to keep this. Not to say that it's not nice, but I just do not have a need for a belt currently.
Wait, let me see that bag. Look at how cute this little Stitch Fix bag is, though.
Yeah,
I love it.
I like the bag for
That's
sure.
too bad, yeah.
Excuse me, can I keep the bag? And as usual, I like to stare into the camera while I grab a article of clothing and pull it up.
Ooh.
Yo. Okay. Oh, okay, hold on. No. I was excited, now I'm not. Kind of a denim-y look, not my jam. It doesn't feel like denim, but it looks like denim, and that's just kind of off-putting to me initially. Maybe it'll look better when it's on. So, okay,
yeah.
Item number 2. Okay, here we go. Item number 3.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
It's like a dad shirt.
Yeah, one of my 40-year-old dad going on vacation to Hawaii.
That is kind of weird. That's not...
This is not even close to my style.
Dang.
So...
That's too bad. What the heck?
Okay, this is not looking good for Stitch Fix, but honestly, they're usually a lot better than this.
Yeah, usually they're like the last. Oh, it's too bad because we haven't filmed your last like 3 boxes.
But they've been great.
And they've been fire, so. And my Stitch Fix that I just unboxed was really good, so I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, I couldn't help but look. Saw something green. Oh, and they're pants.
Oh, they're pants.
I was hoping they were shorts.
I was too, but I mean, these are kind of nice.
These are really nice, absolutely. But you know what?
You don't need a pair of pants.
It's the middle of March. Moving into spring, summertime, and it gets pretty warm where we live. Man, oh, but these are so nice. These are Ezekiel's.
You could try them on. We could try them on. See how we feel about them.
Yeah.
They're nothing like you have right now. I wonder if you have the same stylist.
I always ask for the same stylist.
I know, but who knows? Like if they left Stitch Fix or they were out of office, who knows?
All right, last item. Black dress pants.
Why?
Why? I don't need black dress pants.
Okay, let's see what your stylist had to say, because that's so weird.
I mean, these are really nice, don't get me wrong, but again, I just bought, not even just bought, like 2 months ago I bought dress clothes for their wedding.
It is the same stylist, so I don't know what happened here.
Okay, let's see what she has to say. Let's kickstart the fix with a few new trendy styles you can rock into spring with confidence. I would wear none of this into spring.
Yeah.
I don't wear pants in spring.
The only thing that would...
That's like summertime vacation.
Well, yeah, not even spring.
Okay, well...
Wow. God, I hate when you get a bad fix. Very, very occasionally I get
like
not a great one.
It's like the only fix where I'm not stoked on things.
Yeah, usually there's at least like 2...
Out of 11.
Yeah.
This must have just been a fluke. I don't know how to explain this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Odd. Okay, so let's try some of these on.
Yeah, I guess. Here we go.
Okay. Well, I mean, I don't think you look bad. It's definitely not something I would have really seen you in.
I would oh my gosh, I would never put these clothes on and walk out into the world.
Okay, not together or in, okay, that probably
Okay.
never.
I would never wear this shirt. I might wear these pants, but...
But, show me the butt.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, you need to lift the, oh, look at the tushy.
Stop it. Yeah, these pants make my butt look good, okay? Fat. But beyond that, it's like,
Cat.
they just feel really weird. I mean, honestly, the cut is better than I thought. But the main thing is, like, we're moving into springtime. I'm not gonna wear pants. Like, once I commit to shorts, I wear them for the rest of the summer and springtime. So,
And fall.
yeah, even into early fall, you're right. Like,
Yeah, this was just,
I mean, they're pretty comfortable and I like the color, like, you know, but I don't want to buy a pair of pants that I'm not gonna wear for another 6 months. 7 months maybe, who knows.
yeah. All right, let's try on the black pants and the denim, not denim shirt.
Let's try that. All right, so got on this long sleeve shirt.
I mean, honestly, this does not look bad on you.
It doesn't look that bad, you're right. The dress pants, they're a little skinny for my taste. I don't know. I feel like when I wear black dress pants like this, they should be a little
Looser?
But I mean, it's also kind of a look, it's kind of a vibe, like, and the shirt isn't awful, but it's also like not my favorite
Yeah.
by any means. I don't know, it's got a weird cut. It's kind of one of those shirts, like, do you tuck it in, do you leave it untucked? Kind of feel like you tuck it in, and like, the button situation's kind of not ideal for me. Pants are comfortable, don't get me wrong. They're comf, but again, I just recently bought some nice black dress pants. I just don't like dress pants that are so skinny. So, there we have it, folks. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And then the fifth item was the belt, so let's go ahead and wrap this thing up.
Okay, we're back. We just realized that we forgot to talk about the prices, which we usually do before the try-on portion, so we're gonna run through the prices real fast. Not that it matters, because I don't think you're keeping anything.
Don't think so.
Which is maybe the first time? I think you've sent like one other box back fully.
Yeah, one time it happened.
Rarely it happens, but occasionally you do have to send everything back. They do offer a style pass, which is where you pay, I think, $49 once, and that money gets applied towards your next fix to keep anything you want. And then you get free styling sessions for the rest of the year. So you didn't lose any money on this.
I am currently on that plan.
Yeah, so the styling fee is usually $20 for every fix, and then that $20 gets applied towards anything you want to keep. But if you choose not to keep anything, you do lose that $20, but it doesn't apply.
I've already paid the $49 and I've already used it towards something that I kept a couple fixes ago. So I can send this back and get another one, honestly, in like a week. They have really quick turnaround ones if you want to like do it faster than every month or every other week. You know, you can get, I think, a fix up to every week. And so I'll probably get one, you know, a couple weeks out, just so it's sooner rather than later, because I would really actually like some new shorts.
Okay, so let's talk about the prices. So the belt, $38.
Yeah, see, and honestly,
that is the cheapest thing in the box.
And that disappoints me. Like, I don't know, 38 bucks for a belt, that's a little too much for me personally.
All right, what do we got next?
The black dress pants, stretch pants.
Tommy Hilfiger, $59.
I mean, that's not an obscene price for some really nice quality dress pants, but again, they're just not my style necessarily, and I do not need black dress pants at this moment.
Yeah, you rarely wear them.
Exactly, twice a year maybe. And I have a really nice pair that I just bought for a wedding, like I've said 3 times now. The Tommy Bahama shirt.
Is that Heritage?
No, it's Ezekiel.
$48.
Oh my goodness. I would not pay almost $50 for this very thin button-up shirt. Sorry.
Oh, Heritage, $68.
Not even a chance. Sorry, Stitch Fix. All right, and last item, the Ezekiel green stretch pants.
Probably the best thing out of the box.
The best thing out of the box. The one thing that I would like mostly consider keeping if it had been a different time of the year.
Those are the most expensive thing.
Probably 74 bucks.
69, just $1 above the shirt.
Okay, come on now. How are you gonna $68, $69? Like, I don't think a shirt should ever be as expensive as a pair of pants.
So the total cost of everything in the box, $282. If he chose to keep everything, there is a 25% discount, which would be $70.50 off, which is a pretty hefty discount.
Yeah.
Which would then bring the total down to $211.50. But we're not paying anything today.
Yeah, I'm not mad at Stitch Fix. This happens. I mean, it's hard to style someone remotely because I even pushed this box out like 3 weeks. So it's been a long time since my last fix. It is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah. If you want to see a much better fix, I just uploaded my Stitch Fix unboxing on my channel, and it was like a 5 out of 5 box. I think I kept, well, I won't spoil it for you, but I kept quite a few things, and it was a really, really good fix. So if you want to check that out, definitely go check it out. And again, we have a ton other unboxings on my channel of Stitch Fix, so you can see better boxes than this one. And if you would like to try Stitch Fix out, again, this is kind of a fluke. The referral link will be down below if you'd like to check it out. Or if you want to wait for us to upload a few more to kind of get a better feel for it, and you might want to sign up at that time, you always have that option.
We should definitely unbox my next one in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
The redemption box. And again, you can add little notes on stitchfix.com. You can be like, hey, I'm specifically looking for a really nice overcoat, or you know, I'm looking for a really nice pair of shoes or something like that. And you know, you can talk to your stylist. It's a very interactive service.
Yeah.
You know, they always send you the notes and want your feedback so they can help you better next time. Every item you send back and you return, it asks you why. You know, you can get real nitpicky with why you don't like it. The fit, like, my arms are too tight, my arms are too short, too long, like tons of options like that. Despite this fluke, I really strongly recommend Stitch Fix.
Yeah.
It's a great service.
Not sponsored. Just, I mean, we're talking it up even though this is a really bad box. Everybody gets a referral link, so the one that's down below will be Alex's referral link. All right, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss the redemption box, definitely consider subscribing so you don't miss it.
It's coming.
It's coming. And I think that's everything we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.